If you're running a PrestaShop store, it's easy to think that launching your own mobile app is out of reach. You don't have the budget and bandwidth to spend up to $1 million on a custom native app, and no-code tools don't align with your highly customized bespoke web store. Yet, you want all the benefits of an app. You want stronger retention, more repeat sales, and a closer connection with your best customers. Mobile app can be one of the strongest assets for your brand. It's a powerful revenue channel, capable of adding 30% of revenue in new sales just through stronger engagement with your best customers. Yet launching an app is not as easy as launching a website. It's a whole new kind of project, one that your regular web developers probably can't handle. So is there a better way? Yes, MobiLoud. MobiLoud turns your existing PrestaShop store into a native mobile app. There's no rebuilding, no templates, and no developers. Just your PrestaShop site with all its features, design quirks, and conversion optimizations living in your customer's pocket. So how does it work? MobiLoud takes your mobile optimized website and builds a native framework around it. The core functionality comes from your website, but it has the look and feel of the same native apps you'll get from any of the world's biggest brands, like Amazon, Nike, or Zara. It's a real app, complete with the icon on your customer's phone, for a fraction of what it would usually cost to build a mobile app. Your app and website are fully synced. You make a change on your website and your app updates automatically. This massively reduces the cost, time, and energy it takes to manage your mobile app. It basically runs on autopilot. You just take care of your website like you already do, and the app takes care of itself. If you want a new, high-converting, high-retention sales channel, optimized and catered towards your best customers, you need a mobile app. MobiLoud makes it easy for any PrestaShop store to launch one. And MobiLoud's team manages the whole process for you, from build through to app store publishing and ongoing maintenance. If you want to see what your site could look like as a mobile app, head over to mobiloud.com to get a free preview.